It is time to start the challenge now.
But you always start it immediately after the theme song. Can't you do it at a different time?
No, and anyway, the challenge is that you have to give me food in the next 20 minutes. It could be anywhere you find. Well, just don't kill me or poison or anything. We have paperwork filled out for that.
Oh no, do you hear that? The challenge is starting. Go, go, go!
This cake should do the job.
Pence, didn't you read the map? Now we're lost.
All you told me was to just find candy.
Yeah, but now
shift the blame on me.
We're
I
lost.
didn't even do
Thanks to
anything
you
because they do know the exit's right there.
Just
right.
I
just want to watch them do your medicine because you are so
I'm
annoying.
done with you.
I have my dish right here. Where am I and how did I even get here?
Wait, we're also food-based guests.
Where are these guests coming from? This is getting out of control.
Okay, 20 minutes are up. Please give me my food now.
I got you some chocolate cake.
I got you a chicken nugget.
I bought you a lollipop.
I got you baked dirt.
Oh, well, you know.
I bought you a yoyo-berry. I got you a rice cake.
Wait a minute, where are Pencil and Match? And wherever they are, if they don't show up in 5 minutes or so, then I'm afraid to say that their team is automatically disqualified.
Hey guys, we're back. The best duo of all time.
Oh, really? Because the best duo of all time caused a challenge for us. You both are so eliminated. Well. Look who's back to losing yet again.
Gelatin Book, puffball, fries, and tennis ball are safe.
Match is safe.
No, this is so unfair, but Match, you can do this. I swear, you'll win this. You have to do this for the both of us, so please. I know you could do it, Match.
Well, I guess that wraps up today's episode. It might have been a little short, but at least we got to see some drama. But anyway, if you want to see another episode, then stay tuned for another episode on Total BFDI Island.